Welcome to my channel. HP printer not working. 1. Check power and connections. Ensure the printer is plugged into a working outlet and turned on. Confirm all cables, power and USB/Ethernet, are securely connected. 2. Inspect the printer's display. Look for error messages or blinking lights on the printer's screen. Refer to the manual for error code explanations. 3. Restart the printer. Turn the printer off, unplug it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on to refresh the system. 4. Verify the ink or toner. Check if the cartridges are properly installed and have enough ink or toner. Replace if necessary. 5. Check the paper tray. Ensure the paper is loaded correctly, with no jams or misalignment. Remove any stuck paper carefully. 6. Ensure the printer is connected to your device. Confirm the printer is connected to your computer via USB, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet. Reconnect if needed. 7. Run the printer troubleshooter. On Windows, go to Settings, Devices, Printer Scanners, select your printer, and run the troubleshooter. 8. Update printer drivers. Download and install the latest drivers for your printer model. 9. Check for firmware updates. Use the HP Smart app or the printer's control panel to check for and install firmware updates. 10. Reset the printer to factory settings. If all else fails, reset the printer to its default settings via the control panel or HP Smart app, and reconfigure it. Thanks for watching.